Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 10. Subject Higher Mathematics. Chapter name Solid Geometry. Exercise 13. Lecture 2. Today's lesson. Discussion of some important formulae and solve the problems related to the formulae. Definition of solid. The body enclosed by plane or curved surfaces and occupying some space is called solid. For examples, book is a solid, brick is a solid, box is a solid, spherical ball is a solid. Okay. Note, at least 3 straight lines are required to enclose a portion of a plane. So also 4 planes are required to enclose some space. For example, here are 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides make a plane like S. Okay, and 4 plane or face or surfaces enclose some space. That's mean here are 1, 2, 3 and the back face, total 4 face enclosed a space. Okay, these planes are the faces or the surfaces of the solid, and the line in which two such planes intersect is an edge of the solid. That's mean this is a face or surface, this is another face or surface, intersect a line this. So this is a edge. Similarly, this plane and this plane intersect this line. This is a edge. Similarly, this plane and this plane intersect this line. This is a edge. Clear? Follow to figure. Here is book and here is brick. A book or a brick has 6 faces and 12 edges. 6 faces mean 1, 2, 3 and bottom face, this face and this face. That's my total 6. Top face, bottom face, front, back, front, back. Clear? Similarly, front, back, top, bottom. Total 6 faces. Is mean this, and etc. For clear, follow another example. Here follow A, B, C, F. This is a top face. C, D, E, H. This is the bottom face or surface. Total 2 face. And here A, B, C, D and back G, H, E, F, 2 face. And also A, F, E, D and C, H, C, B, 2 face. That's mean in total will be 6 faces or 6 surfaces. But how many is here? Follow the bottom face. How many is? 1, 2, 3, 4. And sorry, top face and bottom face C, H, H, E, E, D and D, C. 4 is total 4 and 4, 8 and another one, another one, another one, another one. That's mean here is 1, 2, 3, 4 and the edge of top face 4 and edge of bottom face 4. That's mean total 12. Clear? Spherical ball. A spherical ball is enclosed by a curved surface. That's mean it has only one surface, that is a curved surface. Clear? Rectangular, parallelly piped. The figure will be this. The solid enclosed by 3 pairs of parallel planes. 3 pairs mean this and this one pair, this and this another pair, and top and bottom another pair. That's mean 3 pairs of parallel planes is called a parallelly piped. Each of the 6 planes is a parallelogram. That's mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all are parallelogram. And the opposite faces are congruent. That's mean top face and bottom face opposite to each other and these are congruent. And front back face that are opposite and these are congruent. Similarly, this and this are congruent. The parallelly piped of which the faces are rectangles is called a rectangular parallelly piped. As this face is a rectangle, this face is a rectangle, top face is a rectangle, this face is a rectangle, so this is called rectangular parallelly piped. Okay, and this is also we can say parallelly piped because rectangle is a parallelogram. Okay, follow another definition. Cube, the rectangular parallel piped of which the faces are squares is called a cube. Follow here, that's mean this face, top face, bottom face, this side and this side, that's mean this face all are square, so this is called cube. And for square, length, that is a length, breadth, height all are equal. Okay, follow a figure. Let the length, breadth and height of the rectangular parallel pipe to be respectively AB. AB means this is the length, this is equal to A unit, AD or BC, AD or BC, follow AD or BC, this is a breadth, this is equal to B unit, and A prime or B prime or C prime or D prime, this is a height of this solid and this is equal to C unit. Okay, one number. Area of the whole surface. Whole surface, here are total 6 surfaces. This equal to, we can write 2 into area of the face ABCD. ABCD mean A, B, C, D. That's mean bottom surface. As bottom surface and top surface are congruent to each other, so this and this are same. That's mean area of bottom surface and top surface same. So we can write any one of these as we have written here A, B, C, D. So we have to take common here too, because we have to write A, B, C, D in 2 times. As we have written here only once, so to take common out of the bracket. Clear? Similarly, A, B, B prime, A prime. This face and back face, that's mean D, D prime, C, same. So we can write any one of these as we have written here A, B, B prime, A prime 1 times. So we have take here common 2. Similarly, the area of the face A, D, D prime, A prime, A, D, D prime, A prime, A, D, D prime, A prime, and B, B prime, C same. Okay, so we can write any one of this as we have written here A, D, D prime, A prime. So here we have to take common 2. Clear? Again follow this. A, B, C, D. This is a length and this is a breadth. So area will be A into B and A, B, B prime, A prime. A, B, B prime, A prime. This is a length, that is a A, and this is a breadth for this face. But total solid, this is a height. But only this face, that's mean A, B, B prime, A prime. This is a breadth and this is a length. So area will be A into C. And this face, that's mean A, D, D prime, A prime. This is a length and this is a breadth. This is a length and this is a breadth. Follow this. Okay, only for this face, but total solid, that will be height and that will be breadth. But only this face, that's mean AD, D prime, A prime. AD is a length, A prime is a breadth. AD mean B, A prime, this is a C. So finally we can write 2 into AB into AC. AB plus AC plus BC square units. Write in errands. This equal to, you can write 2 into AB plus BC plus CA square units. Clear? 2 number volume. Volume mean length into breadth into height. Length AB, breadth AD or BC, height A prime. This equal to ABC cubic units. And diagonal of this solid will be B D prime. B D prime. This is a diagonal. Okay. But for each face, that's mean this face or top face or this face, as this is a, that's mean bottom face is a rectangle. So BD is the diagonal of the bottom face. As the bottom face is a rectangle, so each angle, that's mean this angle is 90 degree, as this angle is 90 degree. So ADB is a right angle triangle. As ADB is a right angle triangle, so we can say BD is a hypotenuse. BD is a hypotenuse, so BD square, this equal to, we can write AB square plus AD square. Clear? And follow this triangle, that's mean BD prime. BD prime, this is a hypotenuse. So BD prime, this equal to BD square plus DD prime square. So only BD prime this equal to square root over BD square plus DD prime square, but BD mean hypotenuse of the bottom surface. So BD square this equal to AB square plus AD square. So this equal to we can write, that's mean BD square equal to AB square plus AD square, and plus this, that's mean D prime square. Now putting the value of AB mean A, AD mean B, and DD prime and AA prime same. So this equal to C. So finally we'll get A square plus B square plus C square square root unit. Clear? For cube. For cube, length, breadth and height are equal. That's mean A equal to B equal to C. Therefore, area of the whole surface 2 into here was A into B. As A, B and C are equal, so we can write A into A, that's mean A square. Here was BC and here was CA, but we have convert any one of this. As we have convert here A, so here will be A into A, also here will be A into A, that's mean A square. Adding this will get here A square plus A square plus A square, that's mean 3A square. 3 into 2 means 6A square, square units. Volume for rectangular parallelly piped, that was A into B into C. So here will be A into A into A, that's mean A cube cubic units. And diagonal was square root over A square plus B square plus C square, but here will be A square plus A square plus A square unit. This equal to 3 A square root unit. Square root over 3 mean square root over 3, but square root over A square mean A. Clear? Problem related to the formula. A rectangular parallelly piped has its length, breadth and height in the ratio 4:3:2, and the area of its whole surface is 468 square meters. Find the diagonal and volume of it. Solution: length, breadth and height be 4x, as the given ratio is 4:3:2, so we have to let 4x, 3x and 2x meters respectively. Therefore, area of the whole surface we know 2 into AB. AB mean 4x into 3x plus BC. BC mean 3x into 2x, and C mean 2x, A mean 4x square meters. This equal to 2 into 4x into 3x, that's mean 12x square. 3x into 2x, that's mean 6x square. 2x into 4x is equal to 8x square unit. We'll get this equal to, you can write 52x square meter. According to the question, as the given full surface 468, therefore according to the questions 52x square, this equal to 468, as here is square meters, also here is square meters, both sides square meters cut. Now calculate. X square, this equal to 468 divided by 52, or x square is equal to 9, therefore x is equal to 3. Therefore the length of the solid is 4 into 3 meters, this equal to 12 meters. The breadth of the solid is 3 into 3 meters, this equal to 9 meters. And the height of the solid is 2 into 3 meters, this equal to 6 meters. Hence the length of the diagonal, this equal to square root over 12 square plus 9 square plus 6 square meters. This equal to square root over 144 plus 81 plus 36 meters. This equal to 2 square root over 261 meters. This equal to 16.16 meters approx. This is answer. And volume, this equal to length into breadth into height cubic meters. This equal to 648 cubic meters. This is another answer. Homework. Exercise 13, page number 322 and 323. Problems number 7, 8, 9 and 10 are related to the formulae. So today up to this. Thank you to all everybody. Goodbye.